Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you for joining me on my media channel. Today we are going to unbox and slash look over the Looney Tunes Collector's Choice Volume 3. Unfortunately, I hear discs. I hate when that happens, but we will make do. So this is the third Looney Tunes Blu-ray collection from Warner Archive Collection, although there was, other releases like the Bugs Bunny birthday set and everything. And we've got Bugs, Elmer, Foghorn Leghorn, Coyote, who's definitely, been some interesting situations, and a couple unique characters giving you a hint at some of the unique shorts that are going to be on there. Now, when you go to the back, here are some of the shorts you are going to get. A Feud There Was, China Jones, Cinderella Meets Fella Dumb Patrol, Egghead Rides Again, Elmer's Pet Rabbit, Hobo Bobo, Honeymoon Hotel, Hop, Skip, and the Chump, Mr. and Mrs. is the Name of Rice and Hen, Prehistorical Hare, Peach Trunk, Quentin Quayle, Riff Raffy Daffy, Saddle Silly Sheep Ahoy, The Sheepish Wolf, There Oughto Be a Law, Tugboat Granny, War and Pieces, and Wet Hair. And so there's some unique shorts, even though they're highlighting like Bugs and everyone. There's some unique Merry Melody shorts here that most people are not quite as familiar with, and that's really cool. And it includes the first color Merry Melody short, which was Honeymoon Hotel, I believe. And one thing I do like is it says Looney Tunes Collector's Choice Volume 3 is intended for the adult collector and may not be suitable for children. Gee, Disney, do you think we can take a hint on that one? So let's take a look at not only do I want to take a look at the discs, I want to get them out of this case and put them back on the holder, because I don't want them to be damaged if it can be helped. So let's just, this is, okay, that'll be better. There, we finally got it. And let me, okay. So it's one disc, and as you can see, there's like a greenish kind of artwork. And I do like how they put on the disc itself that the collection is intended for adults. Let's see, are there any scratches? Thankfully, no scratches. So they're making it very clear this is not made for kids. Now, I'm not saying all these shorts are like adults only. Most of them are perfectly fine for kids. Only that there might be some things in there that, as the years have gone by, we consider to be less okay for kids. And yeah, so this is another great release, it looks like. I still wish that they would be doing like a chronological order of all the shorts rather than just picking and choosing for each release, because obviously some shorts are going to fall through the cracks at that one. But judging from the back, this is going to be a very fun release to watch. And I would like to know, did you get this? Do you have the others? And is this how you prefer the Looney Tunes shorts to be released? Or do you have your own idea for how you would like to see these releases handled? I would love to know. Comment below, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you at the movies.